I've got the February Allure box, and this box just keeps getting better. So check out what's inside this box coming up. Hi and welcome to our channel. My name is Tracy. Chloe and Bandit aren't with me this evening, but if you're new, thanks so much for stopping by. We hope you decide to stay, and if you're returning, thank you so much for being a part of our YouTube family. This is the Allure Beauty Box. It is put out by the makers of Allure magazine, and this box just keeps getting better. You're going to get a combination of full size and sample size for around a $25 price, but they're putting out some of the better brands, some real high quality brands. We've gotten some real great products in this box, and there's typically more full size than there are sample, and I'm hearing some full size in there. It is usually more skincare than it is makeup, although every now and then you'll get a makeup item. You might get a mascara. A few times they've had an eyeshadow palette in here. There's a little pamphlet that goes over each of the products in the box. It tells you what their retail price is and whether or not you received a full size, although usually it's pretty easy to tell. And here is your sneak peek. Not too much to see in there, but I do see 2 makeup items out there. So for those of you who love the makeup items, this was a great month for you. The very first item in here is an item that I do have. I do love this product. It's a great one. This is by the Beauty Bakery. And actually, I have the older version where there's actually like cotton on there to look like cotton candy coming out of the glasses, and that just kind of tears off. So I think this is better packaging. This is their Cotton Candy Champagne Blush and Highlighter Palette. There is how that looks. Great colors. Matter of fact, I'm going to go see if I have mine here at my mom's. I think I might. I'm not 100% sure, and I can show you some swatches. I'm not going to swatch this one because this is going to be a great giveaway item. I actually had gotten another one. I got my first one from FabFitFun. I don't know where I got my second one from. This is my third one. I gave my second one to my niece, and I think she liked it. I think she enjoyed it. That's a $38 value. So right there, that's the box. You have now paid for the box. All right, I will be right back. We're gonna see if I have that. All right, so here is mine. And as you can see, like there used to be cotton on there, but it just kind of ripped off. So, you know, I think it's better to not have that. And again, the colors. So there are those colors. I went in real deep just to kind of give you an idea of the colors, but I'm going to just kind of buff these out to show you that they do buff out very lovely. And they actually call it a blush lighter because it's a combination blush highlighter. Next, by Stripped, we have a whipped coconut makeup remover. These are these pads, or nope, I think it's actually like a balm or something. This has vitamin E, fatty acids, ginseng root, and white tea tree extract. So again, another full size. And this is a $28 value. Says a little bit goes a long way, and I do find that to be the case. I do find that these kind of products fantastic for getting off particularly mascara or eye makeup without the harshness. So it's more of a whipped consistency. It smells like a pina colada. So I'm excited to try this. I'm actually almost out of this at my house. I have plenty here, not this product, but I have a pharmacy one at home that I'm almost completely out of. So I'm super excited to put this in rotation because I said to myself, I might have to go out and buy one. I don't have any more of this. It's the one thing we don't get a lot of in boxes, I would say, is this kind of makeup removing product. Next, we have this. This is a cream highlight stick, and this is by $19.99, and I guess it's in the color Melee. I'm not really sure how to pronounce that. It's a creamy golden highlighter. It's a $34 value. This is your third full-size item. There is how this looks. I've not heard of this brand, so I'm excited to try this brand out. There we go. All right, I put a little bit right there. You can see it's a peachy color, peachy golden color. I like that. I do like cream products. I will tell you, when you have older skin, cream products can be your saving grace, because unlike powder, it's not going to settle. It's actually going to kind of fill and smooth out any of those fine lines. Okay, here is our first sample size, but it feels like it's a good size. It's 0.27 fluid ounces. The full size of this is 2 ounces and goes for $89. This is by Sulwhasoo First Care. It's an activating serum number 6. So this might be their 6th version, and they say that it's very popular. One sells every 10 seconds. You can use this morning or night. And there is the size that we got. And I am not against sample size products. I've said this before. It's a good way to try out a brand, but also when you have like this backload of full-size products, they can go bad before you even get to try them. So I do like getting these because I'll put these immediately into rotation if it's something I'm going to use and see how I like it. Next, by Nature Lab Tokyo, this is the Clean Scalp Rinse. All right, so this is our second sample size. The full size of 6.7 ounces goes for $19. We got 30 milliliters, or how many ounces is that? 0.67 fluid ounces. So this says it's part scalp treatment and part shampoo. It's a rice and sake water rinse, and it deep cleans your scalp. It helps you wash away any product buildup and hydrates. So this is going to be instead of shampoo. So you'll use this instead of shampoo and then use your conditioner or whatever you're going to do next. So that's a great price for a full size. Like, that's something, if I loved, I wouldn't feel bad about going out and spending $19 on a full size of this. And I know that seems like a lot for this type of product, but when you look at a lot of the hair care products, shampoos, conditioners of the high end are in the $30 range, it's a little bit better. And if you have dry scalp, this is going to help with any of those flakes, because it's going to really get your skin clean, so you're not having the dried products on top of dried scalp causing more of that dandruff type look, which may or may not be dandruff. It may be just all the dried up products. So this is a great way to get that clean. All right, next is a full-size product, but it is, I don't know, when I see a singular, I'm like, oh, okay. So it's a sheet mask. This is by Sweet Chef, and I have tried some of their other masks before and really enjoyed them. This is celery and hyaluronic acid. It's a fresh pressed sheet mask to hydrate and plump skin. It's a $4 value. So, oh, I forgot to tell you, this is a cruelty-free brand. I do like to go over that. The Sulwhasoo, it doesn't say. This strip product, the whipped coconut makeup remover, is vegan, cruelty-free, sustainable, clean by EU standards. So that's kind of nice to have all that information. I like it when they give you the information. I don't have to go search for it. The $19.99 beauty, it does not say whether or not they are cruelty-free. And the Nature Labs Tokyo is cruelty-free. And our last item is a fragrance sample. by Yves Saint Laurent, and this is their Libre perfume. They consider this a bonus item. All right, so it is just a little guy. It's a floral perfume. It says it has warm musk and vanilla notes, lavender. It's a sexy take on a floral fragrance. So a 3-ounce size of this, or 90 milliliters, goes for $155. I'm never mad about a perfume sample because I may hate it, and then, okay, I may love it, but still, like, you're still going to get a lot of use unless you're dousing yourself. That's nice, but a little heavy for me. Yeah, it's nice, but it is a little heavy for me. I probably would not, I would not use the full size. There's nothing wrong with it. It's just a little heavy for me. And that is my Allure Beauty Box for the month of February. So what do you guys think? If you're a makeup lover, I know this would have been a great box for you because you got 2 makeup items. I think my favorite item is going to be this. I have to say, whoops, is this. Mainly because it's exactly what I need right now. So that's going to be my favorite because it came in just when I needed it. But there are great products in here. Like I say, that blush palette, that blush lighter palette is absolutely gorgeous. So look for that in a future giveaway. And please consider hitting that like, subscribe, and notification bell. There's a little last look. It's hard to see in there, right? I just dropped everything down. And hopefully, I'll see you soon.